Welcome to my presentation. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. And the subject name is Advanced Cloud Computing CSC 5201. Submitted by. At first, introduce myself. My name is Pritam Chakraborty. ID M200305513. Supervised by Dr. M.D. Abulaik, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Jagannath University. Thank you, sir. First of all, my thesis paper analysis topics. My presentation topics is of things in the big picture on the integration of is IoT and cloud in distributed computing environment. So here, first of all, what is edge computing? At first, we know that what is called edge computing. The edge computing, any computing and network resource along path between a source and cloud data center. Here we show the figure data source are connected to the cloud. There are some definition of cloud. Cloud that means big data processing, business logic, data warehousing, and is real-time data processing at source on data visualization, basic analytic data fetching, buffering, filtering, optimization, and communication. That is mobile to mobile communication. So now the edge computing characteristics. There are some characteristics of edge computing is geographically distributed, scalable, autonomous and distributed edge computing, and contextual and low latency, real-time interaction, and heterogeneous. So the most five key benefit of edge computers is computing bring data processing power of is of the network closer to the source. Is computing the most valuable five benefit like as a cost-effective solution, an interoperability between legal and modern device, faster response time, reliable operation with intermediate connectivity, security, and compliance. Here is the five benefit of edge computing. Challenge of edge computing. Some challenge of edge computing, like as and electrical power management, storage, security measurement, data accumulation, collection, cloud data center. So here we see that figure to compilation data in a disconnected environment, providing compilation intensive capabilities and data that is when there is no access to data in cloud. Speech recognition, face recognition, speech translation, image recognition, image processing, air, water quality analysis. There the environment. When we see that this figure, the modern technology, how to recognize the face, how to speech recognize, translation, image recognize. Then the integration of IoT with is category, types of resource, and small architecture. So category there are cloud and is. Cloud, this is the national data center, the recognition data center, and local data center. That means this is the cloud thing. And is three-phase thing microwaves. So is to sell a tower data center access on permission data center, computer, networking equipment, controllers, sensor, and device. So cloud and is connected between each other. Now, the future development of is computing. Future development, like as according to market and market analysis, the is computing market will be worth 6.7 to US dollar billion by 2022. Is computing allows customer feasibility to have device really on the cloud. perform tasks on their own and talk to each. I'm really sorry because I'm sick. So, IoT architecture feature, features an overlap area. There is the features and overlap area. The is we show that the is computing connected to the fog computing and cloud computing. Edge computing, also sometimes called NIST computing. If a cloud exists in the sky and fog sit near the ground, then mist is what actually sit on the ground. Here we show that the cloud computing, fog computing, edge computing architecture, basically pros and cons. Like we discussed the pros and cons. The cloud computing easy to discover, low cost storage based on the internet driven global network, TCP and IP, transmission control protocol and internet protocol. And for computing, pros like as a real-time data analysis, take quick action, sensitive data remaining inside the network, cost saving, storage and network more scalable than the edge computing, operation can be managed IT or OT teams. And we know that the pros of edge computing. Edge computing is simple internet communication by means the physically writing, physically assist intelligence PSC to collect, analysis, process data. And cons like as latency, response time, cloud computing, bandwidth cost, security, power consumption, no offline mode, sending raw data, internet, cloud, privacy. And block computing is relational links move to data physically asset and digital layer, the potential point of failure. This is the main cons of block computing. And edge computing like as a less scalable than the fog computing, reconnecting through to network with customer security and little interoperability. No cloud awareness. Features really automation can be extended. There is the pros and cons. Thank you for watching my presentation. And again, I'll say that I'm so much sick. That's why. And thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity to say something or analysis this journal paper, journal topics. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.